Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about the brand new Google Pixel 9, the latest flagship from Google that's packing some serious AI muscle, a redesigned look, and of course, some of the best cameras on any smartphone. Section 1, Design and Display. Let's kick things off with the design. The signature camera bar is still here, but it's sleeker, more refined, and slightly more integrated into the back panel than before. It's available in some fresh colors this year, like obsidian black, porcelain, bay blue, and the crowd favorite mint green. The Pixel 9 now features a 6.2-inch LTPO OLED display with a variable refresh rate from 1 Hz to 120 Hz. The bezels are almost non-existent now, giving it a really premium edge-to-edge feel. And yes, it still has Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on the front and back with an aluminum frame. IP68 water and dust resistant, of course. Section 2, Performance and Battery, 2 Sound 330. The Pixel 9 runs on the Tensor G4 chip, Google's newest processor built specifically to handle demanding AI tasks. It's paired with 12 GB of RAM and 128 GB or 256 GB of storage, no microSD as usual. Battery-wise, we're looking at a 4700 mAh battery with 30W wired and 23W wireless charging. In real-world testing, the Pixel 9 gives you a solid 6 to 7 hours of screen-on time, easily lasting a full day for most users. Section 3, Cameras. Now to the part where Pixel always flexes, the cameras. The Pixel 9 features a 50MP main sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide, and a new depth sensor to help with portraits and AR features. No telephoto here, that's still reserved for the Pro model. Video recording is also improved, up to 4K 60fps with better stabilization and HDR processing. Audio separation tech now isolates voices more clearly in noisy environments. Section 4, AI and Software. The Pixel 9 runs on Android 15 with some seriously advanced AI smarts baked right in. Then there's Circle to Search, which lets you circle any image or text on your screen, no matter the app, and instantly get Google results. Pixel Voice Composer is another standout. You can dictate long messages, and it'll not only transcribe but also suggest tone changes, like making it more professional or casual. Security-wise, Google's promising 7 years of OS and security updates, plus enhanced privacy controls via the new Pixel Security Hub. Section 5, Pricing. The Pixel 9 starts at $799. Thanks for watching.